What's up, folks? This is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let's go. What's up, folks? This is Wesley $1 billion virgin, and listen close. This video, okay, I know what you're doing. Stop. You're looking at those books, right? Okay, by the end of this video, I'm going to share with you some of the books that I read here today that keeps the money rolling in. But what I want to show you in this video here is basically how to use a certain website, okay, to be able to get free Amazon gift cards here, okay? You don't believe me, right? Let me turn my camera around. Hold on. Give me a second here. Look, I'm showing you something here. Now, this is my YouTube channel here. So if this is where you are, you should like and share this video, okay? If you would just, somebody said they would just listen to me on YouTube. Much love. So guys, as you guys know, on my Instagram account, I give away free money all the time, right? And you may think, Wesley, where do you get all these free gift cards from? Well, I'm going to give you the site, and it's totally free, that I've used for the last year, that I give all you beautiful people free money, okay? And basically, it's a free Amazon gift card codes, 2020. It works right now. No human verification is needed, and it's really cool how it happens, and you can give it to your family, your friends, yourself. Like me, I spend about $1,000 a month on books, and I promise you at the end of the video, I'll give you some of my books here. And this is a tip I want to give all of you. Always have books and money in your bedroom, right? Not condoms and not all those nasty sex toys, guys. Stop it, okay? You should have only books and money, okay? Why? Because that's what you want, and you need knowledge to get money. So remember, smash the like on my YouTube channel. Type in Wesley $1 billion virgin. You'll see my videos here. They're all free. 95% of my content is free content, and it will help you start to create and develop a great online company here like I did. And, you guys know my story, right? I was broke. 7 years I spent online not making any money, but I made a promise to myself, and I made a promise to God that one day, if I ever had the opportunity to figure this out, I would share with the masses. So this is the reason why almost every video that you'll see on my YouTube channel about making money online is free, right? I give people free value. This is why I actually don't smash the like button until you get free massive value from my content, and I would keep creating this for you, okay? Is that cool? Let's go! Okay, so the name of the website is, and listen, don't you hate those videos where people just wait and they show you all the information, right? They tell you how to make money, but they never give you the website to the end? That's BS. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to show you the website in the beginning so you can start making money right now, right? And if you choose to smash the like button because I do that for you, that's cool, okay? All right, let's go. Let's go. Here's the website right here. Boom! Kepterra.com. Let's go. Let's go, folks. So check it out. So this website right here is absolutely wonderful because they give you free Amazon gift cards when you write a review here, okay? Is that cool? So basically, any software that you're currently using on your laptop, you can basically type in right here, such as like SharePoint. That's there. Or say if you're using Google Docs, okay? See that right there? So the thing is, if I click there, you want to have an account first, okay? I already have an account because I actually use this actively. This is why I give you guys free gift card. And this is really good. Listen, if you guys are creating content online and you want to give people free things to get them to do other things, well, just go here. Get a couple of free gift cards and say, hey, click on this link and you'll get a free gift card code. And then you give them another link, and maybe it could be your affiliate link or your affiliate offer. Make sense? So this is a great way to get leads. It's a great way to get customers into your business by giving them something for free, and you don't pay any money. It's just time, right? So what you do is everybody with me? If you're with me, can everybody see that? Hit the like button, please. Can everybody see that? Remember, in the comments below, always comment where you're calling from. Let me know where you are around the planet to make sure that I record and do videos so everybody can benefit. I want everybody at the table to eat, not just daddy. And I am daddy, but I want you to eat too, okay? Everybody. Everybody going to get a big piece of chicken. Let's go. All right, listen. So let's go to Google Docs here. And if you click there, what you're going to do here is basically here, it's just register here, okay? And you're going to do a review on it. That's it. It's that simple here. Let me go back. Let me show you another one. So if you go up here, I'm going to log in. I'm going to log into my account. Give me a second. What's going on here? Hold on. Let me do a refresh. Okay. So I'm logged in. That's me. That's Wesley with the cool sweater, right? Write a review right here. Is everybody with me here? And basically, once you do a review, say if we're going to do a review on Basecamp, okay? Or it may be something that you guys know, like QuickBooks here, okay? And you just basically sign up and do a review, right? And you listen, you don't have to actually know anything about the product too much. And the great thing about it, this is very important, by the way, make sure you click on to make sure you get paid and get the gift card or the code here. Check out our tips for writing reviews, okay? That's it. So a lot of you do Yelp reviews. Well, don't do that if you're not getting paid for it. Understand something about me and the internet. And I'm going to show you something. You know, let me log into something. And listen, I'm not going to show you to brag or boast, but this is just reality. Let me show you something. Let me log into one of my accounts. Give me 1 second here. Hello. Let me show you the reason why I make this type of money. And let me show you how you can make this type of money as well. I'm going to log into my Digital Store 24 account right now. That's my login here. Let me put my finger there and I'm going to log into an account. And listen, the reason why I make money like this, that's $4,000 today here in this one account. And that's 8/17. Now look here. That's Monday, 8/17. So this money that's coming in every single day. How is that working? Because I don't recommend anything on the internet unless I get paid for it. And as a matter of fact, I teach people, like in the description right now, if you look down there, I have a video or I have a link where I show tons of people how to make $10,000 in 45 days flat. And it's really simple, right? It's just not that difficult. But remember, if you never take action, if you're skeptical, if you never just do it, then it never works out for you. So I'll leave that link in the bio below if you want to make money like that. But to be honest, on this website here, it's pretty simple here. All you do is write reviews on different types of software that you're already currently using every day. And they pay you about 10 or 20 bucks per review. Okay? And I want everybody to comment this below, all my YouTubers and my Instagrammers as well. Passive income, baby. Okay? Look, you see my toes? That's my toes, right? Now, why is my toes moving so much? Because I'm making money. And I'm happy, right? You know when you eat that nice apple pie, you know, or that pecan pie, and you know when you're eating food and you get all happy, you start moving your toes? Well, that's how I feel when I make money. And that's how I want you to feel, because you'll make money right now. But you must take action. But like I said before, here's the website, Capterra. And always smash the like button if I give you massive value. If I did not give you massive value in this video, guess what? Don't smash the like button. Don't sub, right? I want to make sure I serve you, and I don't want to take a lot of time. But listen, Capterra is where I get all my gift cards from. I do surveys, or I just go to a site by the name of Fiverr.com and I get other people to do it for me, okay? I go to these people here. I pay somebody $5. Check this out. Type in virtual assistant here, and you can hire someone to do it for you. Pay them 15, 20, 10 bucks and say, hey, if you don't mind, I'll pay you 10 bucks if you take these surveys, do about 10 of them, then you make about 100 bucks. Then what you want to do is go to Amazon.com, right? Just like this, log into your account, and when you get ready to buy something here, when you, I would show my account in Amazon, but I don't want you guys to steal my my address, because for some reason people are showing up at my place, which is weird, right? So I can't show my address any longer because of the crazy people that show up at my place. I mean, I love everybody, but don't be weird, okay? Don't show up at my place. That's weird. My family is here. I mean, come on now. Chill out. But yeah, you go to Amazon.com You put in a gift card, and that's just easy. That's just how it works. It's just that simple. So listen, if I explained everything in this video, okay, that you can use this if you want to get some free gift cards from Amazon. They'll send your code right to your email. I get them like all the time when I was giving out gift cards, and it's free. You can use them for yourself. Like, here are the books, and as promised, I'm going to give you guys one of my books here that I've been reading that I will suggest. So you ready? Here it is. Go get that book right there, The Zen Brain. So I appreciate you if you like and share this video, since I gave you guys some value here. And you can copy, screenshot all these books. These books are absolutely unbelievable. And I've used these books. I have many more, by the way. But these books have definitely created the $1 million man that you hear right now. And it's the reason why I'm living my dream. But guess what? I want you to live your dream as well. Okay? Because it wasn't always like this. Okay? I still remember driving a 1988 Honda Accord. Okay? I still remember when I was staying on the air mattress on the floor in that 2-bedroom apartment here, okay? Remember doing videos in my kids' room, believing in myself. I remember when people did not support me. I remember when people said that I would never do great things. I remember getting kicked out of the military. I remember dropping out of college. I remember almost getting kicked out of high school. I remember filing bankruptcy. I remember the repos. But as you can see here, like here on my YouTube account here that you've subbed to and smashed the like button, I'm doing well. Okay? I'm doing well. And I'm proud of myself, and I'm proud of you as well, because you took action. But I'm going to leave you with this. Whether you do this or not, continue to believe in yourself. Okay? I know it's tough, but continue to believe in yourself. All right? Because one day, it'll take place for you. But if you give up, if you quit, it'll never happen. Okay? If you don't mind, can you comment below? I love Wesley Virgin. It just makes me feel good. You know, you don't have to do it, but go ahead and smash the like button and just put I love Wesley. I just love it. You know, I just love when people show me love. Okay? I love it. I'm a human being. Right? So send me some love. Right? I love you guys as well. This is Wesley. $1 billion dollar Virgin. Let's go. Motivated, dedicated. Let go.